This is how the track layout geometry works for Märklin's curved turnouts. Starting from a single track line to two tracks, from a single track line to a three-track line, or a transition from two tracks to three tracks. For these track configurations, we need curved tracks in radius 1 with track number 130. If you connect these curves with the curved turnout on both sides, you automatically end up with a parallel double track line at the end. In the Märklin track planning software, you can clearly see once again which tracks are needed for this track layout. The software is available for download on Märklin's website or as a physical data carrier. This also allows you to create other track plans, like this one where a single track is supposed to split into three tracks. Now, directly after the first curved turnout, a second curved turnout is added. To maintain the geometry, however, we no longer need a radius 1 curve everywhere, so we have to make some adjustments. Now we need a curve with radius 2. That's a curve with track number 230. This makes the layout a bit longer. We'll now close these two small gaps with a 77 mm long track, a short piece with the number 077. Now it fits precisely to the millimeter, and we have three parallel tracks. Here are the tracks again in the software. In the third track plan, one route is supposed to be double-tracked and the other triple-tracked. The tracks are to be connected with switches. Let's take a look at that in the track planning as well. This time, the two curved switches are not placed directly next to each other, but instead, a curve with radius 1 is inserted between them. Only then are two curved switches connected and extended once with a radius 2 curve, and below with a radius 1 curve. There's still a small piece left. It's exactly 77 mm long, perfect for the track with the number 077. Now we'll expand this track plan further. To do that, we'll start with a radius 1 curve and extend it a bit. One curved switch, a second curved switch, a third curved switch. Now a curve with radius 2, a very short track with the number 077, and right behind it a curved switch. Another radius 2 curve and another one. And then another very short piece. And behind that, two longer curved sections. As you can see in the track plan here, one curve with radius 2 and one curve with radius 3. In this way, you could now build a 3-track circle. You can find more tips for construction on Märklin's YouTube channel, and we're happy to answer any questions below this video. Have fun building and planning your model railway.